Today is Juneteenth, all right? Freedom ain't never free. Freedom's something you got to fight for. And I've been fighting for my freedom for 18 years, since 2006. Get shorty. It's about the war on drugs, N62528. Governor Westmore just pardoned 150,000 individuals. Well, if he can pardon 150,000, he can exonerate one. Ain't no law against making a movie. It's coming to the First Amendment of the Constitution. Freedom of speech. See that? If you go to David Trone, he got all this. Like I said, it's entrapment. I wrote my senators, my congressmen, my elected officials, and I told them I was making a documentary about the prison industry. David Trone supports my cause. That's Donald Trump, all right? That's Donald Trump and TV One, Radio One. Roland Martin, that's me at Marion Barry's birthday party. I'm a cook, I'm a caterer. I'm not the help. You feel me? I'm not the help. I own me. I own all parts of me. So go to President Trump. The same way that y'all put President Trump through the ringer, y'all got to do the same thing to Scott Shellenberger. See that? That's Get Shorty, 2006. All right? Get Shorty. That's Governor O'Malley. That's Governor O'Malley. We're taking footsteps back. That's Ivan Bates. All right? That's Sheila Dixon and Lawrence Brown. That's Sheila Dixon. Eric Costello. And that's Judge Carrion. You go to Judge Carrion, like I said, get this paperwork. We talking about the corruption in the courts. I put a toilet in front of the courthouse because when we go to jail, we got to share that toilet with inmates. 2024, we're going to share it with the world. Supreme Court or exoneration, one or the other. This is Scott Shellenberger signed in 2010. That's Governor O'Malley and Brown when Governor O'Malley ran for governor. That's Governor Ehrlich. You ain't tough on crime, you tough on us. And all of it was there. That's the toilet. It's the shoe shine box. And these is the tapes and the SD cards. Letters of Zion is a movie. It's a ghetto Da Vinci Code. To be the best, you got to beat the best, and you ain't beat me yet. It's Juneteenth, and I want my freedom. I want my freedom. You pardon 150,000, you can exonerate one. This is where it all started. January 2007, y'all charged me with terrorism. Y'all kidnapped me from my family and y'all threatened me. You say I threatened to blow up the courthouse. No, I threatened to uncover the corruption in the courthouse. That's the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts. That's Shorty, video vigilante. Got a story called Shorty. The next step, see who that is? That's Natasha, state public defender. The state public defender. She got that. See when she got it? In 2022. Like I said, criminal justice reform. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. And we talking about the money y'all make off black bodies. Yeah. That black girl magic caused a lot of black men pain. That's me and my customers. My first dollar I made. Like I said, M&T Bank. From Baltimore's worst to Baltimore's best. To be the best, you got to beat the best. And I'm the good in the hood. Our next step is the President Biden in the Department of Justice. Ivan Bates. Because Ivan Bates, Department of Justice, y'all got this. You feel me? Y'all got this. So does David Trone and Asselbrook. Y'all charged me with a phony bomb threat. I told you release all material to the voters. You feel me? And that was in 2009. Dwayne G. Davis, 1402 Lochner. You kidnapped me from my home, just like Emmett Till. And we ain't gonna do no Emmett Till justice. I don't get no justice. You don't get no peace. That's Ivan Bates. We talking about voter suppression. That's Jared Germantes. That's Eric Holder. That's Roland Martin from WVON in Chicago. All right, Roland Martin. That's the Baltimore Sun. I'm showing you the role the media plays in misinformation. That's parole and probation. Like I said, WJZ got an hour and a half interview with me. They got to play the whole hour and a half interview. You feel me? The whole hour and a half. Consent to be videotaped. Play the tapes, baby. Just like Watergate. Ivan Bates, play your tapes. Turn over all that information. You can't use your position of power to block an investigation. And that's what you're doing. You freed Keith Davis, you're going to give me a trial. So Governor Westmore, how you like the storyboard? It's Juneteenth. I want my freedom. I earned it. I deserve it. And I'm not going to stop till I get it. You feel me? I'm not going to stop till I get it. That's Kwais Nfume, and that's me. Right here, that's quasi-informe. Exhibit 4. Falls Road, dear Mr. Davis. In regards to your documentary, I will not be able to appear. All right? That's David Trone, and that's Senator Cardin. Trone was shooting for Cardin's seat. Trone got the evidence. It's a school of law, and I'm schooling y'all. I'm schooling you in the law. That's Judge Papaya, Judge Turnbull, and Judge Sauter. Get all that information. That's Governor Westmore. Get out to vote. Appreciation. Dwayne Shorty Davis. Yeah. Ex-felons can vote. You let 150,000 individuals, that means that they can vote. That's me and Dick Gregory. 2014. All right. False imprisonment. Police brutality. Judicial fraud. I filed that paperwork. And Kwesi and Fume got it. That's Mark Clark in the Big Fat Morning Show. From Fox 45 when he first came to town. I gave you the Shorty program. And you got mad. The Big Fat Morning Show. Remember when Nelly came to town at the Milford Mill Swim Club? Yeah, that was us. Right there. I'm the cook. I'm not the help. You feel me? I'm the cook. I'm not the help. That's Amnesty International. Because I'm applying for political asylum because this is a political prosecution. Shorty Davis. Shorties, the self-help organization for the redevelopment and re-education of the young. It's Juneteenth. All right? Freedom ain't never free. Freedom's something you got to fight for. And I put my freedom on film. Go to the Maryland Volunteer Lawyers for the Arts and get my evidence. Go to Governor Westmore and get my evidence. You let 150,000 people pardon, you can exonerate me. I need exoneration of the Supreme Court. Because you can't stop this movie. It's Juneteenth. We still slaves.